Everyone, this is Ari from Tech with King and I am back with another new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download, install and run the mod version of the Exagear Windows emulator. So let's get started. In my previous video, I have already shown how you can run PC softwares in your Android using Exagear, but that Exagear application is paid version and did not handle the heavy PC softwares in your Android. So in this video, I am going to show you the mod version of the Exagear. So here is the Exagear of the mod version. First of all, you have to download the two files. First is Exagear APK and the second thing is the OBB file. So here is the two things you have to download and the link in the description. You can check out there and download from there. So first of all, you have to take this OBB file and you have to click on to cut, means move, and open the Android folder, then OBB, then you have to paste here. So as you can see, the Exagear logo appear on this folder. So let me just install the Exagear APK. So this is the APK mod version you have to download, and it did not contain any virus, and it will be not paid version. You can use its lifetime. As you can see in this screen, it will be secure. As you can see in this screen. So here is the Exagear mod version in Android. Let me just to open, and it will say you to allow. It will be access your storage, phone storage, and as you can see the starting up and unpacking. If you not download OBB file and not paste in the Android phone, then it will be not opened and it will show you the image error. Lot of my subscribers tell that it will be showing the image error. So you have to download that OBB file and you have to paste that OBB file in your ES file explorer, and in the Android and OBB folder you have to paste that file in OBB folder so that you can easily run this Exagear in your Android. So this is the mod version opening in Android. So as you can see in the screen, starting up, unpacking. Please wait, you have to do this full procedure. So as you can see, the mod version is open here. As you can see, here is the structure of the, this is the mod version of the, as you can see, the mod Exagear Windows emulator. This is the desktop start menu. Let me show you for the features of this Exagear. So this is the desktop. So this is the desktop. So if you run this desktop, here is the desktop, start menu, install new. So here is the some games that you can install from here. The big games, the heavy games will work on this. So we have some options to download from here. Fallout 1, Fallout 2. So as you can see, and the manage containers. So as you can see, and this is the help. You can take the help of this. So let me just show you. So first of all, you have to download, install and open the Exagear and click to manage containers, and you have to click to this plus logo. So it will be created as a container one. So just click to this three dot and run Explorer. If you click to run Explorer, it will be opening the, going to opening the file explorer of the PC. So it will be showing some instructions that you how you can use the mouse. As you can see, left click means short tab, right click. This is all the instructions, but I know this. So here is the, as you can see, Exagear mod version, and it have Wine logo. As you can see, it will using the Wine infrastructure. So this is the file explorer of our PC running in Android. So this is the file explorer I've opened and will opening, and it did not require any Exagear folder. In my previous video I've already shown that you have to download any software and you have to paste that software in the Exagear folder, but in this mod version you did not required to paste that. It will open directly, opening the download from our phone storage. As you can see, this is the download folder of my phone storage and will showing the all the files of my download folder. So here is the Exagear mod version, and it can handle all the softwares, heavy softwares like Photoshop, MS Office. In my feature video I'm going to show how you can run MS Office and Photoshop, this all the heavy heavy softwares. So subscribe to my channel for the future videos, and let me know in the comments what software you want to run in Android. But I try my best to run that. So let me just show you the how you can use this. So I've opened the Exagear file explorer in my Exagear. I've already shown how you can do that. So I've so with two fingers you can zoom in, zoom out, and if you want to select any file, so you have to, if you want to scroll up, you have to just you have to do like this after doing in the screen. So you can run any heavy software in this Exagear in Android. For example, I have downloaded here Notepad plus plus. In my previous video I have shown the Notepad, how you can run Notepad in Android, but this Notepad plus plus version is not working in Exagear strategies. So here is the Notepad plus plus version perfectly working in this Exagear. Let me just show you. Here is the Notepad plus plus. This is the Notepad of Android plus plus version. You have downloaded it from browser. This is the heavy version of the Notepad. Let me just open in this. You have to double click on it. I have opened the double time, so you have to click to one time to open at a time. So you have to double click. So you have to select the language, click to English, next, agree, next. First of all, it going to install, and you have to make sure you have to create the shortcut on the desktop, so next time you can easily open it. So you did not require to install again and again in your Android. In it will happen in the old version, you have to install again and again, and you can't access the data. But in this Exagear you can access the data, and you have to install the one at a time, one time, and click to it will finish the installing, and I have clicked to finish button, and let me just close. So here, as you can see, it will be running the Notepad. So let me just close from here and show you how you can open it again. So I have also closed the file explorer. So I have installed the Notepad plus plus. So next time if you want to open the note, I have installed, as you can see, here is the desktop. So next time if you want to open Notepad plus plus, just click to Exagear. Let me just close this session. So if next time if you want to run the Notepad plus plus in your Exagear, you have to just open the Exagear application, and as you can see the desktop here, I've told you to add the application in the desktop while installing. So here is the Notepad plus plus. Here you can directly open from here. As you can see, I've just clicked to Notepad plus plus, and will telling the launching application, you can directly open the Notepad plus plus. So I've already told you, did not require to install again and again. You have to install at one time so that you can access for lifetime. So here's the desktop is opening, the automatically open the desktop, and it's automatically open the Notepad. I've just opened the from desktop. As you can see, here is the Notepad plus plus. It will not work in the Exagear strategies, but it will working in this mod version. So you can access the data. You can't do these things in the Exagear strategies, but you can do these things in this mod version of the Exagear. I'm explaining very fast, sorry for this. So here is the Notepad. If you want who know about this Notepad, you can understand this what I am doing. I'm just click to open, and I have opened the instructions of the Notepad plus plus. As you can see, readme.txt I can open. I can also the data, as you can see, readme.txt. You can also access the data from the applications. You can also save the data in your Android download folder. As you can see, I can save. So let me just create another. So here is the notepad. Let me just open the keyboard. So in the upside you can see there is a keyboard. You just to click to keyboard and you can type anything. So I have typed this in my notepad. Now I'm going to save this. Click to file, click to save, and it will ask you to where to save. So here is the, let me just back. So here is my download folder. I'm going to save this here. So I have saved this. So here is the ES file explorer. So as you can see here, new one means I have saved that notepad file here. So it will name as so as you can see, please subscribe to my channel. I have typed this in my notepad Exagear and have saved in download folder. So as you can see, it will be opening here. Please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, so you can save the data, you can access any file from your phone storage. I try to show more videos, more topics on this. So here is the mod version of the Exagear. You can save data, you can open any file in any application from your Android. So this is the mod version of Exagear. In my future videos I'm going to show more topics on this Exagear, how you can open Photoshop, MS Office, and any other heavy games. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. The download link of this Exagear is the link in the description. You can check out there and download from there. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comment. If you are getting any problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.